is a civilian local law enforcement matter. And I think our first step would be to figure out what is needed on the ground to keep everybody safe. And I don't think we know what that is yet because we do not know how the Guard members, potentially under the authority of the president, would be deployed. There's just too many unknowns at the moment.
Is there anything just quickly though statutorily you can tell me about like how quickly you are able to call up Guard members if you do go that route?
Generally speaking, and we could also get clarity from the adjutant general, but normally in a disaster or for other reasons, it takes about 72 hours to do any kind of call up.
Gotcha. Thank you.
Dirk.
Hey, Governor. Do you have any expectation or understanding of when Judge Immerget may take up this notion of the second TRO or the first one? I mean, I guess the first one has been settled, but there is a question about whether she automatically dissolves the second or what. Do you have an expectation in that regard at this point?
Appreciate the question. That's a good question for the Attorney General. I don't know what that timeline could or would be based on her decisions.
Okay, thank you.
Appears on my screen as Sedge, Sedge.
Thanks, Elizabeth. It's Sammy at the Oregonian. Governor, have you been in touch with the Oregon Guard today? And can you tell us what you've told them or what those communications have been like?
I have not had the opportunity to speak with the Adjutant General yet since the ruling. No.
Thank you.
I see no other hands.
I think I would just say one thing, and first of all, appreciation for folks being here and asking questions. I think it was a really important development that the one judge in the 2-1 ruling was immediately calling on her colleagues to vacate this order. So I hope the Ninth Circuit takes that up and does so quickly because of the gravity of this situation. And again, support the full en banc review that the Attorney General is seeking. Way to move as quickly as possible to vacate this order. I hope they do that.
And I saw a hand go up from Amanda Arden.
Yeah, hi, Governor Kotek, Amanda Arden with CBS News. I know you've said it, but hoping to clarify from your understanding, Oregon National Guard can't be deployed as long as the second TRO remains in place. Is that correct?
That is correct. At this point today, both the Oregon National Guard and the California National Guard continue to be in limbo. The President does not have the authority because of the second temporary restraining order to deploy, and that we'll be waiting to see what Judge Immerget decides to do. Thank you, everyone, for the time. If you have any follow-up questions, you know where to reach us. Appreciate the time and have a good day, everyone. Thank you.